Namaste students, welcome to our EVS class. In the previous class we learnt about the homes for animals. We learnt how the homes protect the animals from heat, cold and rain. The animals that are kept in homes are much happier than other animals. That is what we have learnt. And in today's class we are going to learn about the farm animals. What are farm animals? How do they help us? So on the screen you can see some farm animals. You can see a horse, you can see a cow, a hen, a goat, some hens here, a cock and a duck, sheep. So all of these animals give us different things. Let's go ahead and learn about it. We already know that some animals live near us on farms. Today we will learn about the different ways in which these animals help us. The keyword is farm animals. Farm animals means domestic animals that live on farms. Okay, domestic animals that live on farms are called as farm animals. So let us observe this picture. What do you see in this picture? You can see a cow, a hen, an ox and sheep, right? These are some farm animals. And how do they help us? All of you know that if you start with cow gives us milk. We drink milk. Milk is very healthy food. With milk we make several products like ghee, cheese, butter, yogurt, curd, whatever you call it. Then hen, if you move to hen gives us eggs. Eggs is a proteinous food, right? It helps in bodybuilding. Then ox, this big animal which is in red in color is ox and it helps the farmer to plow the field. Okay. So sheep, the wool of the sheep is used in making of sweaters, socks and blankets, right? Now let us observe this picture. Here we have some products from animals. You have to tell me which farm animal helps us in this manner. For example, egg. We get egg from hens. We get milk from cows and buffaloes. And wool from sheep. And what is that? In that picture it is a plow. Plow is a tool of the farmer which helps to plow the field, right? Oxen help the farmer in plowing the field, right? Now this is the table, children, and you have to tell me how these animals help us. Hen gives us eggs. That is what you are going to write here. A cow gives us milk. Sheep gives us wool. Oxen help the farmer in plowing the fields. Right? Now let us watch this video, children. Okay, some of the farm animals, hen, cow, sheep and ox, you can see on the picture. A hen gives us eggs and eggs are eaten as food. Cow gives us milk. So there are many uses of milk such as butter, ghee, yogurt, etc. Right? Now the next animal is sheep. Sheep gives us wool with which woolen clothes are made. Okay, this wool keeps us warm, especially in winter season. Oxen help farmers in plowing the fields, right? So this is how some of the farm animals help us. What are the different things that we get from hens, cows, sheep and oxen? Okay, just now we learnt it. Now let us read this. Hens give us eggs. Cows gives us milk. Sheep gives us wool. Oxen help farmer to plow the field. Different animals give us different things we can use. Some animals also help us to do our work. See, Nana, some of the farm animals, they give food for us or wool for us, and other farm animals also help us in various ways. Okay, now this is the table. You need to copy this in your EVS classwork. So, animals on the left side and how it helps us. Hen gives us eggs, cow gives us milk, sheep gives us wool, oxen help the farmer in plowing the field, right? So, what are the different ways in which farm animals help us? Farm animals help us in different ways. Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. This milk can be used to make butter, cheese and yogurt. Chickens and ducks give us eggs and meat. Sheep gives us wool that is used for making woolen clothes. Horses and donkeys are kept to carry, horses and donkeys help to carry heavy loads from one place to another. Oxen help farmers in plowing the fields, right? How do farmers take care of animals on the farm? Farmers keep the farm animals safe from heat, cold and rain and other animals. They give the animals clean water, healthy food every day. They keep the living area of the animals clean, right? Let us remember once again, how does the farmer take care of the farm animals? Farmers protect the farm animals from heat, cold and rain and other animals. What do they give these animals? They give clean water and healthy food every day. They keep the living area of the animals clean, right? Now let us open this worksheet. Very easy, Nana. Put today's date. So first question, look at the pictures and tick the farm animals. So a horse is given, a kitten, a mouse and a sheep. So horse is a farm animal. Why? Because it carries heavy loads, it carries people. Kitten? No. Mouse? No. Sheep? Yes. D1 is sheep. Sheep gives us wool. With wool, many things are made. So you can tick option A and option D. Second question, read the text and answer the questions. Cow is a farm animal. What do cows give us? All of us know that cow is a farm animal and cow gives us milk. Milk is a wholesome food because it contains all the nutrients from 3 groups. Maybe carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. That is the reason milk is called as healthy, wholesome food. And with milk, other products are made like curd, cheese, etc. Okay, how does it help us? Okay, that is the answer. So you can write cows gives us milk. How does it help us is the B1. You can write with milk several things are made, curd, ghee, okay, cheese, like that. Now for the practice questions. First one, circle the farm animals. Okay, how many words are given? Sheep, lion, cow, oxen, wolf and donkey. Now you have to circle the farm animals. Okay, sheep you can circle because it gives us wool. Lion is a wild animal, it is not a farm animal. Cow, yes, you can circle cow also. Sheep you circle, cow you circle. Why? Because cow gives us milk and it is kept in the farm. Oxen, yes, oxen help the farmer to plow the fields. Wolf is a wild animal. Donkey, yes, donkey is also a farm animal because it helps in carrying heavy loads. Second question, name 2 farm animals that help us to carry heavy load. Okay, 2 farm animals, one is donkey and other one is oxen. Okay, donkeys and oxen help us to carry heavy loads. Third question, what are the two ways in which we can take care of these farm animals? Okay, these farm animals should be kept in a clean, neat place, and every day healthy food and water should be given to these farm animals, right? So Nana, every class you read the content book. Now today which lesson? Farm animals lesson. Open your content book and read the farm animals lesson 2 times and underline new words. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Thank you. Have a good day.